Oh,
Hey.
hey Greg. Hey Sam.
Yeah.
Hi. Looks like you're home now, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Glad you can do some relaxation. Been
Mhm.
traveling a lot.
Yeah.
Hey Greg, one of my clients was rushed to the hospital emergency room. She had some sepsis going on. She's been having chemo treatments. So the body is really struggling with the medication um, for the infection. Wondering what I can do on my end to support that.
Where's the infection? Do we know?
The blood.
Blood.
Yeah.
So would you say she was having what?
She's a cancer patient as well.
But what did you say before that? She went to the hospital for
Sepsis.
Sorry, what?
Sepsis.
Oh, sepsis.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've been doing the blood purification protocol and severe infection for pH. Not sure if there's anything we can do in terms of oils at this point. She's still in the hospital.
Yeah. With something like that, I mean, she's under doctor's care, so they've got things that are in play, but sometimes still we can try to augment approaches. And I would say any form of time would be really good here. Like, benchmark would probably be the best, but other forms would be okay, just whatever you have. Maybe at first, just have her do a lot of, I'm thinking this out. Probably at first just do a lot of long inhalations, but then eventually start taking it internally.
Okay.
Just to strengthen the immune system and give the body a little bit more strength.
Okay.
I would say at some point you need to clean the blood up. That would probably be Greenland moss. Might be able to do it with black cumin, but I would probably go for the Greenland moss.
Okay.
But I would say probably not until she's a bit more stable. It's not that it would make her like, you don't want to send a person in like a detox.
Right.
When they're in their middle of a crisis, and I don't think it would, but you never know. You know what I mean? So, the chronic infection, cleansing the blood, super good approach. I mean, that just really intensely clean the blood, especially the organs, the liver, kidneys, lungs, the spleen. Even if you don't do the other portions of that protocol, really go intense on that. And just have her inhale a bunch of time. Yeah. It'll make the body stronger. And, the thing with time when there's immune type issues is as far as like an herbal or an oil approach to issues that are immune related, time can be a magic bullet sometimes. Like, just when nothing else is working, or, you just start giving them dosages of time, and it really can help pull a person out. It's strengthening, it stimulates the immune system, it helps to regulate circulation. The issue here is the person's just in a very fragile state. It's not just the sepsis, it's the chemo and the radiation if they're doing that, and then going for cancer. And so, in situations like that, It could also be really severe injuries. Sometimes you start off with just kind of spoon feeding the person for a little bit, like just little small dosages. As they start to get a little bit stronger, you can increase treatment or dosages and things like that. But even with the energy work, sometimes you can't energize that much. You can't clean that
Just
much.
cleaning, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, eventually you want to be able to pretty intensely energize those organs, but they probably can't handle a lot of that right off the bat. And so, you know, you energize for just a little tiny bit and then let it assimilate, and then a little bit more and then let it assimilate. And so everything you do is going to have to be real super gentle, real super gentle for a while. You know,
Okay.
until she stabilizes a little bit. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay.
What kind of cancer does she have? I'm just curious.
Liver. There's
Liver.
something in the liver. Yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
pancreas, I think. Yeah.
Oh, pancreatic. Yeah. So there's a lot of pain involved as well. Yeah.
I think there was a spot in her pancreas, but I think that was mitigated.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's have her just try that for a little bit, and then maybe in a few days or so we can talk about it some more. But that would be the start.
Okay. Thank
You
you
know,
so much.
as far as pH, do even just like a little bit of white in the palms and soles of the feet.
Got it.
Just get her body used to assimilating some energy, just little tiny bits at a time.
Okay.
It will make her body stronger, and at some point the body will start absorbing more prana. That way, whenever you energize the hands and the feet, it stimulates the body to start absorbing more.
Got it.
It will make her just naturally start absorb more prana.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.